Your frequent visitor?
No, he is
Hello.
working. I think where are you are working, Ahmad, right now? Hello, are you audible?
No, I think he's muted
Yeah,
his.
Ahmad, I think your mic is mute. You can check it.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. Now you on mute. No. I am
Okay.
asking you where you are working right now.
I am working in Sohar here, one company. It's Al Jazeera Steel Company.
Okay. So you are working there as a system and system engineer or network engineer.
I working in electrical department, but they have one system they call the BAS system.
Okay.
They are have and also I work in two department, but I focus more in on
IT industry. You
in
want to
yeah.
switch in IT industry, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is great for you. And so you are interested in IT industry, but you should be learn lot of
Yeah,
things, right?
yeah,
So
because I
so
saw a lot of the different because some cable different of the cable, the
yeah.
communication.
Actually, electric and IT both are too much different. So you
Yeah,
also know, right? So if you switch in IT industry, you should be learn a lot of things there. So
okay.
yeah, because it is not easy. It is very difficult work. IT industry. It means
Yes,
all work, all you are doing mindly. Not need to go physically do anything. So all are the do my mentality. It means the supported you understanding about the first supported which industry you want. IT industry, big industry, developer industry, software development industry, network industry, IT support industry, cloud industry, cyber security industry, too much. So you should be go in the particular one site. It means suppose that you are interested in network industry, you should be go in the network industry. If you are interested in the software development industry, you should be go software development. If you go to software development industry, there is too much. If web designing, software developer, software testing, lot of things also there. Too much defined different category in software industry. If you come in the network industry, here is also too much different category defined. If you come network industry, network security engineer, network network support engineer, network consultancy engineer. Okay. So here is also
okay,
different networks routing switching engineer. If you go to collaboration, network collaboration engineer. Okay, so lot of things. I am also working as a network and system engineer. So I have also 5 year experience in this industry. So that's why I explain you. Suppose that if you get in future issue, so I first of all I give you overview, so you will understand everything. So you will not get you should be troubling in the go to. You will face lot of trouble. You will face lot of issue and you will face so that's why you will first everything you should be understanding before you start, yeah, before you switch any industry, right?
okay.
So if you want to support that, but IT industry is good because this is the professional industry. You should be do everything through the system, no need to do physically, right Basit, are you here?
Yes, I am
Oh,
here.
yes. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm here.
So Basit is also working as a system and network engineer. He is working as a Muscat. Right now he is advanced IT solution. So
Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible?
I think some problem had networks from here.
Okay. I'm working in advanced IT. So, do you know about advanced IT?
I think he left or what?
No, I think might be network issue.
Yeah. Sorry. My actually our network is gone, so that's
Hmm.
why I disconnected. Yeah. So we are continue.
So
So
actually,
uh
actually speaking
yeah.
about myself, I'm more I'm well versed with software industry. You know, I'm more comfortable in coding and all. I had
Okay.
developed ERP system and all. So you know about ERP system, Ahmed? You
No,
heard
Yes,
Ahmad,
about
yes.
that?
I think it is not. It, you know,
You are,
Ahmad?
yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Tell me. You know, it's not that much a big thing. So ERP means a simple software. Your application you can handle easily. It's all depends on a company. If you are, I think you are working in a finance company, right?
Yes.
So regarding that, if you are dealing with accounting software, so I might be developing those applications, those software and all. So I can do that, and I'm using the languages is languages with Python, and the framework is Django. So it's telling about that. Django is a simple and understanding framework. It's the HTML, CSS, all things are inbuilt in that. So it's easy to handle. No need of any code to develop the interface and all. So that's what. So how about your educational role? Who you had studied?
Yes, brother.
Did you completed BTech? Yeah, did you completed
Yeah,
another
yeah, yeah.
course?
I completed it. Yes, yes.
BTech from which branch?
Shillong, Shillong.
What?
Uh, Hello? Uh, you are completed BTech from which
Hello.
branch? Yes.
Here
Yeah, you are hearing me.
I completed here in Sohar University.
No. So
Uh-huh.
are you which branch? It means electronic or
Brother, I
IT,
think
yeah, in your
some issue from your side network. It is not too much,
Audible.
very slow.
okay.
Okay, no. Okay.
Now I am audible.
Yes, bro.
Now,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, Ahmad,
Okay.
I am asking you, you completed BTech, right?
Yes.
So from which branch? IT या electrical या triple E या electronic communication?
Electrical engineer, electrical.
Okay, okay. But okay, no issue. So no issue. You can switch in IT industry, no problem. We will support you and we will help you. And so you can first you want to learn in IT industry and ELB ICT system, right? And you also want
Yes.
to learn the networking, industrial network, right?
Yes.
So industrial network, you should be first understanding about the switching, okay, type of switching, how to
Okay.
configuration. There are lot of switch and there are lot of brand available about lot of vendor leading the switch in the market. Actually, right now leading a lot of switch, lot of vendor supported Cisco. You know about Cisco, Juniper, Aruba, Hawaii, HP, D-Link, Hikvision,
D-Link, I
Dhawa,
know. D-Link, I
D-Link,
know.
D-Link, Dhawa, TP-Link.
Also, I know POE.
Yeah. PoE, bro. PoE is power over Ethernet. PoE means only
Yes.
supported every. I am telling you about the brand. It means make OEM. Okay, OEM
Okay.
manufacturing. Who is manufacturing? So that's why I am telling you who vendor is leading right now in the network industry. So I am not telling you technical thing. This is the PoE is the technical, PoE non PoE PoE is the power over Ethernet. Non-PoE means, suppose that if you have the PoE switch, you are able to give the power and data. Both will be carry
Yes.
and both will be handled on the
In one cable.
yeah. या which cable use cat 6.5 या cat 6.7 या cat 6A या cat 4 या cat 3, depend your infrastructures. Okay, so I am telling you about vendor. So lot of vendor is leading. Okay, so you are understanding about, first of all, which make you are using right now there. Okay, so first of all you understand about your you have a already their infrastructure, your network infrastructure in your company. So first of all you can see
Okay.
there physically, and first of all you are understanding which type of switch you are using. You are using manageable switch, yeah, you are using unmanageable switch, yeah, you are using which brand using, what is the model number, what is the
Okay,
serial number.
brother, wait,
Yeah,
brother. When we use manageable and unmanageable, which time means what the difference between?
yeah, this is the great question, and this is also logical question for me. Actually, manageable switch, suppose that if you want to
Two things.
manageable switch in the network industry, if you suppose that if you have configuration, if you want to configure if you want to control the network, that time you want to use the manageable switch. Okay, unmanageable means you are not able to manage, you are not do anything, you are not perform any configuration on the switch, so that is called the unmanageable switch, right? But if you want to perform anything, if you want to configuration, yeah, if you do configuration on the switch, that time you should be by manageable switch. I hope you are understand. Suppose that, but where we will use, how can identify where we will use manageable switch, where we will use unmanageable switch? How can I understand? I don't know, I nothing. But I first of all preparation, and first of all check the our infrastructure, our connectivity, our designing. Okay, suppose that which type of design our network infrastructure. Suppose that if you use the ELB, if you use the surveillance system, yeah, access control system. But suppose that if you have surveillance system only local setup. Okay, so no need to configuration, no need anything, you can only use unmanageable switch, no issue, you are able to use, and there they will work. Okay, no need to configure the switch VLAN, yeah, trunk port, yeah, SSL, yeah, CDP, yeah, BDP, yeah, BDI, yeah, any protocol you are no, yeah, SNMTP, any protocol no need to do there, right? But if you want
Okay.
to support that, if you come in the network domain, if you come in the network domain, that time if you want to support that, if you have a your company. Okay, and different department, account department, HR department, management department, electrical department, right? There are a lot of department in the one single company. Okay, so that time if you want to define the different network. Okay, suppose that you want to our uh, account department don't go to the electrical department, don't watch, yeah, don't see electrical department data, yeah, account department don't see HR department data, account department don't see the management department data, right? So
Okay.
that time you should be categorize the VLAN, and
Yes, freelance.
that time you
Actually,
should be,
local
yeah,
area.
that time you should be configure the VLAN on the switch, and you should be define the different create the VLAN on the switch, and different category, and you can define different subnet on the switch. Also, if you require the subnetting, if you have the big network, yeah, big infrastructure, that time require the subnetting. Because if you not do the subnetting, so if it will be data will be transfer, yeah, the packet will be sent, transmit, that time you will get the issue. Because so some PC go to slow, some system going to slow, and because too much traffic will be go, right? So that's why that is better for everyone. If you want in the network industry, so definitely require the manageable switch, right? But if you have the small if you use the ELB system, it means the access control, या CCTV surveillance system, या PS system, या another system, that time no need to go to manageable switch, you go with unmanageable. Okay, I hope you are understand our sound. If you have any doubt, you can ask without hesitation. Don't worry. If you join our session, we will continue explain day to day. We will. I also explain you. We will explain everything. It means the physically I will show everything, and physically and give also I will practical. Okay. So yeah. So don't worry. I will also see the screen and I will show everything. But first you can check.
Okay, can you show me one
Yeah.
means you give me overview to see to show me what you will give me, like the topic, the details.
I will go fully overview. What you want, everything. Everything. What you want, everything. I will give overview. I will show you. Give me 1 second. Pasit, are you here?
Oh, yes, 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 I'm here, I'm
Hello?
here. Yeah. Yes, you can hear me, no?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I will give all you. This is the cable infrastructure. All overview I will give. This is the okay. How the cable use, how many megapixel, how everything I will give you. Okay, and this will be complete. Then we will discuss about the network device, and we will also discuss about the network device, how to design, how to work, how to topology, which system, how to work, everything we will give. Okay.
Okay.
After that we, yeah, and also we are lot of things. Okay, but I will show you our syllabus. Suppose that if you want to learn CCNA, we will study about network fundamental, we will cover. Okay, if you want to see
Okay.
network fundamental, OS, TCP, IP. Okay, IP version 4, IP version 6, address subnetting, switching, routing, access point, Wi-Fi, fiber cable, copper cable, cross cable, TCP, UDP command, FTP, SSH, DNS, and we will also study about the access network, Ethernet switch, MAC address, collaboration, VLAN trunking, STP, Ethernet channel, LSCP, everything we will cover. IP connectivity, routing concept, static concept, dynamic routing, OSPF, IP version 4, IP version 6, first hop redundancy protocol, IPsec, DSCP, how to configuration DSCP, everything I will show you. And also a net configuration, we will show security fundamental, device access control list, port security. So everything we will cover about that Wi-Fi wireless fundamental. This is also we will cover our session. Okay, bro. And also go to the enterprises level. If you our subscription for the 6 month, we will also cover the CCNP. This is the full cover, and we will also virtualization, Cisco DNS center, virtualization routing, everything we will cover. Also, we will cover the uh, mm, also we will cover the BTP switch wireless. If you come in the wireless industry, also I will cover everything wireless related. Wireless, but I will do everything practical. I will do everything practical, step to step.
Okay.
Yeah, and also but
About IP
also I will give
address.
This is the Cisco packet reset. Also, we will show you the how to configuration the switch, router, firewall. This is the GNS software. This is GNS software. So we will create the virtual machine, and I will show that how to configuration. This is the Cisco packet reset, and everything I will show. That's this is the here I will show that everything.
So many things we will need more time also.
Sorry.
It will be more many things we need to learn about this thing.
Yeah, many thing you know. If you come in the IT industry, it is not a small industry. It is the big industry. Before I said you, if you come in IT industry, it is not a small industry. That's why I asking you minimum 3 months or 6 months you should be subscribes. You should be. Then you are able to understanding everything.
Okay, brother. Also, we will give about different type of the cable, Profinet cable, Profibus cable, Modbus
Everything,
cable.
bro, everything I will explain you. If you want to come in the ELB system, ICT, it means I will explain CCTV, which Dhawa, I will explain Dhawa, okay. Also explain about Hikvision, also explain about access, okay, boss, okay. And if you come in the access control system, Honeywell, okay, Suprema, Mantra, okay. So every we will RBH, X Spectrum, IDQ, ESSL, ZK biometric, time attendance. Also, I explain about how to time attendance installation, configuration, how to configuration time attendance. If you working as a IT industry, then you should be manage the time attendance. You should be how to support that who is come, who is gone. So you should be how to collect the data. We will give overview on the software. I have also ZK software, and Hikvision also Suprema. I have software. Honeywell Beanpack software we are using. So every software we will give how to configuration, how to installation, how to troubleshoot. If you get the issue, how can do the troubleshoot. Understand, bro?
Oh,
And
yes, understand.
yeah, how
Uh,
to installation sub, yeah, how to configuration the CCTV system, how to assign IP address, MAC address, subnet mask, gateway, how to connectivity, everything. It means this is the 6 months, but I give you overview, so you should be understand. If you continue or regular you will join, then you should be learn day to day. I will give task, I will give you PPT, you can preparation day to day, and you can get the information everything, right? If you
oh,
give any, yeah, every day we have class 1 hour, and we can 30-minute theory, 30-minute practical. I will go show everything on the website. Direct go to website. I have a authorized, actually our we are partner to every company, so we can able to log in the
okay.
direct partner portal, and we will show everything there, okay. And if you get anything doubt, you can ask anytime, no problem. 24 hours I am available for you. 24/7.
Okay.
Anytime you can contact with me, no problem. 24/7 I am available. But you should be, if you want to first, you should be join the our subscribe our subscription. You also taken demo. If you get any doubt, you can ask. But if you want to switch interested, I not push you. Okay, I don't want to push you, you can come with me. If you are interested, you have a profit with me, then you can, yeah, then you can come with me. Otherwise, no issue, no problem. I have a also lot of batch. Before I taken already 2 batch, okay. So already our 2 batch has completed. This is our
Mm,
third batch. So I don't have
okay.
lot of times, yeah. So our session only two or three people in the one session, and I did not taken a lot of a student in my single session.
Okay. Okay, bro.
So
Okay, bro.
do you have any doubt?
But can you give shortly overview about the Profinet cable, Profibus cable, CAN bus, or you have some work?
Hello.
Yes.
It means the fiber cable. Hello.
Yeah. Profinet cable, Profibus cable,
No. You are asking me fiber cable या UTP cable?
UT cable.
UTP.
Yes.
You are asking me UTP, right?
Yes.
Yeah. UTP means UTP. UTP we are using in the suppose that if you want to connectivity, physical connectivity, okay, switch to switch, that time require the UTP cable. And if you want to connect switch to switch, require the fiber cable. Just I told you this one. You see my screen?
No.
Now you are see.
Now yes.
This is the physical interface. Okay. This is the transmission media. There are two type of transmission. One is the wired, one is the wireless. Okay. If you come the wireless media, two-state pair, optical fiber, coaxial. There are three types of wired media. One is the two-state pair, one is the fiber optic, one is the coaxial. And second is, if you connect with wireless, this is the micro wave, radio wave, infrared. There are three way to connect through the wireless. If you connected through the wired, that time require the three. One is the twisted pair, one is the optical fiber pair, one is the coaxial pair, coaxial cable. What is the twisted pair? Twisted is the UTP, optical fiber cable, and coaxial is using the before you I think see that the in the television, yeah, some analog camera, that time this cable is using. Fiber cable you are using for the switch to switch connectivity. Okay, yeah, switch to router connectivity. Yeah, if you have the big network infrastructure, that time if you we are using the optical fiber. Yeah, if you have long distance, there we are using optical fiber cable. But if you have the short distance, suppose that maximum we are using 90 meter, we cannot extend um now we cannot extend the 90-meter twisted UTP cable. So and you if you use this is the two mode fiber cable. One is the single mode, one is the multi mode. Okay, and but brand different brand is available. But there are two mode. There are two mode. One is the single mode. One is the uh, one is the single mode and one is the multi mode. So where we are using single mode, where we are using multi mode. Suppose that if you have the short distance, that time you are using multi mode. If you have long distance, that time you are using single mode.
Optical fiber.
This is the coaxial cable. You see that this is the coaxial cable. Coaxial cable this type. This is the copper wire. This is the copper wire. This is the copper mesh. This is the insulation. This is insulation. If you see this type, this you means understanding this is the copper cable. Okay, there are two types of coaxial cable. One is the thick nets and one is the thin net, one is the thick net. Okay, and copper cable using I already explained you television, yeah, analog camera, that time you are using. Okay, and this is the this cable is the speed. Suppose that cable standard 10 base and 10 point thickness data covers 20 meters, 500 meter maximum distance. This is the distance cover. And cable size 2.5 inch, 0.5 inch. Data speed, how many data will be travel on the time 10 Mbps, 10 Mbps. Cross talking, more, less, connected. So how connector, which connector we are using, BNC, BIM. So we can, this one, this is the UTP, this is the UTP cable. UTP cable category cat 61, cat 62, cat 63, cat 64, cat 65, cat 65e, cat 66, cat 68, and all are the different Mbps. Suppose that we are using cat 6 cable, how many Mbps we will carry the single cable? 10 Gbps maximum. If you use the cat 6x, 25 Gbps to 40 Gbps, data will be transfer or data will be carry. And you can see the same like that. I hope you are see before, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the wiring. This is the connector, RG45 connector. How can make the RG45 connector? This is the cross cable, which is how many, there are 8 port. 8 port means the suppose that one port 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6 using for the data, and data and 3 to using the power. And what is the transmission port, what is the receiving port, everything we will study about briefly. Okay. And how to make, this is the optical fiber cable, this is the optical fiber cable, this is the core, this is the, so everything, yeah, everything we will explain. Wireless transmission, if you come with wireless transmission, radio transmission, microwave transmission, infrared transmission, how to work the how to work the radio transmission, we will cover everything. And micro transmission, how to cover. Infrared transmission, how to travel, how to internal going on. So mm, if you work, if you study briefly, then you are understanding everything. Okay. So right now only I am giving you overview. So if you join, and then we can you can understanding the everything. Okay.
Okay, brother. So I will confirm to you after 5-6 days. So I will check my badges. Then I will update you, inshallah. Okay. And also, if I will check my friends, maybe someone we will join with us. So it will be better.
Yeah, actually that time if you join your class time, have our two student already we have. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So today he did not join, he will join by tomorrow. So he one someone is also joined, Basit. He is also he is working in Muscat right now. If you want local number, I will give you, you can connect him. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no issue.
Brother, one thing. Can you share me the which topic you will give? So at least to send to my brother, to my friends. So I will tell him they will give the all the syllables.
No.
Then
If
we.
you if you he want to join, no problem. You can bring him, and I will give the overview. Okay, and I will arrange the next demo, and we will give you. If he will interested, no problem. I will give overview. I will give demo tomorrow or day tomorrow. Then he will interested. Okay, but yeah,
Bro.
but I did not share any document before joining up, before pay the amount. Okay. But
Okay.
this is our actually institute compliance, that's why.
Oh,
Yeah, but
no, sure. No,
I will arrange the demo, and I will explain you what you want, what you require, everything. But if you get any issue anytime, you can contact me. I will support, don't worry, without hesitation. But if you are interested, if you not interested, no issue.
no, sure.
Okay.
No, sure.
Yeah.
Brother,
Yeah.
no, sure. So I
So
will update you and I will confirm you.
I hope you are understand but if you get, I hope our everything understanding, right?
Yeah.
So you are getting any doubt? Yeah, you have any doubt?
Yeah,
Let me
getting,
know.
but actually a little bit facing difficultly because I am not
Yeah,
working this week.
actually, bro, actually you are starting the start the first time, so definitely you will get the issue. You did not understanding everything in the one day, so should be learn little bit. You should be a start, then go to a step by step. Then you are understanding. You did not understand in the one day everything, because this is the too much different. Okay, and there's a lot of thing here, right? So
Okay, okay,
yeah,
bro.
okay, no problem. You can, if you interested, you can join it. Okay, and let me know on the our WhatsApp. Okay,
Inshallah,
you can chat me.
inshallah, inshallah. Okay, thank you so much. Huh?
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, welcome.
Welcome. Bye, bye.
Okay, okay, bye.